Hi, hello. Let's continue with this course. Let me show you I will show you two elements in this class, radio group and radio button. Okay, so I need to uh, change everything here. Okay, so let me. No, I don't need it. I can add the radio elements here between the edit text and text view. Okay, well, let's create a radio group. Okay, radio group. What is a radio group? Radio group is a group of buttons. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, if you see, this is a new element. The width I will put grab content, so the content will be adjusted at the size. And height, let me put the same grab content. Okay, so now I will put 90. Okay, and let me put something like radio underscore and group. Okay, I am not too smart for now for think a name. Okay, well, a radio group with height. Well, that's all. We can start with this. Okay. Well, if we save and let's go to design, you see here here. Let me show you. Okay. If you see if you see here, we have a detail. Okay. Don't worry for now. Okay. I will check it. But if we select the element, well, you see a small little very very small square. Okay. Well, don't worry. Let's change this. How? Let's add inside this radio group a radio button. That's the point. Okay. So let's put radio button. Okay. And the same width and content. Actually, the radio group, it's a good idea maybe to move that to match parent. Okay, because it's the width and this is the container. For now, let's move the layout width to grab content and height the same grab content. Okay, let's close this. Let's put an ID. We can put a color, for example, red. Okay, done. Okay, I don't need to think too much about it. Okay, well, let's put a text. The text is only the element we want to show you. Okay, in this case I will put a red. Okay, well, that's all. We don't need a new one. Let's go to design and you will see, yep, here, let me zoom, and if you see, we have a red element here. Well, an option. Okay, well, let's go back to the code and let me copy paste, I don't know, 4 times, 5 times. Okay, let's change the ID because you see it's an error. Okay, so because the ID is unique. Okay, well, let's put yellow, let's put blue, let's put pink, and let's set this to orange. Okay, and let's change the text. Let me change. Let's go for the next one. Pink and blue. And yeah, one more, yellow. Okay, sorry. Let's save. Let's go to design. Well, you can see I have the elements here in the left side. Okay, what is the most important thing for in this case? Okay, well, if you see, the radio group is the container. Okay, for these radio buttons. Radio buttons is working like a group just because they are inside the radio group. Okay, that's the point to understand. For now, we have 5 elements. Obviously, I don't remember if we have a limit about button options. I don't think so, but well, you can go to the official website for developers and check it, but I don't remember if we have a limit about how many options we have. Okay, the only thing is, remember, please, if you want they work together, so you need to put inside the radio group. Okay, just let me show you one more thing, because in this video I will show you only about the XML, because I don't want huge videos. If you see, I put red, I put yellow, I put blue. I don't have to worry, because when you select red, okay, the Android knows they need to unselect blue to move to red. Okay, or it's the same if we do it. Okay, the point is they are working like a group. They know, for example, Android obviously no the elements. Android knows the existence of this one. Okay, they know they are working together because they are inside of RadioGroup. Okay, that's the point, the key in this video. Okay, so well, in the next video let's see how we can use it in code. Okay.